Alright guys, in today's video we're going to be doing a review on my Crossman R1 full auto BB gun. So this thing comes with just the regular magazine, an Allen wrench to screw in the CO2. I don't know if it comes with the CO2 or not, but then it has the speed loader, and it comes with these flip-up sights right here. But I have this crossbow scope on here. I don't know why. I thought that was pretty cool. And I got this 3D printed like foregrip, and it's got like the movable stock. So we're just gonna be shooting this thing, seeing how accurate it is, but who knows. So how you load this thing is you just take, it's pretty much the same as a regular AR. It's got this clip. You just pop this open. You just pop that open with this side piece, and then you need 2 CO2 canisters, and then you just put those in. Then it comes with this Allen wrench right there, and then you want to put in, it says first right there, you can see it. So you put in that one. It seals up pretty well compared to other CO2 like pistols, BB guns. And you do the other side, and you'll just hear it like start leaking a little bit and then stop once you tighten it the rest of the way. Then you just put that back on. And then to load the clip, I like to take this speed loader. You gotta push that piece down, and then it locks down at the bottom. I use the speed loader for that. As you can see, it's locked. And then you just put the speed loader in there, then face it down, and push it until it's full. And now you got the full clip. I don't know how many this holds. I'm guessing about 15 to 20. But one other thing about it, you have the safety on, semi-auto, and then full auto. Then this is the dust cover. It's like an exact replica. And then if you push that, well, you got that, whatchamacallit, back, then that locks the slide back, I think it's called. But then you just hit that to shut it. Or also you can just pull the slide back in and it will go forward. So let's get to shooting this thing at some targets. Alright, I got my target right down there set up. So all I'm going to do is load this thing, put your magazine in till it locks, and then now it's loaded. And then once the clip is empty, it'll lock the slide back, so then you can't shoot anymore. So let's see if my scope is sighted and good enough. I would go out there, but it's pouring rain, and I wanted to make a video today. And by the way, with the regular iron sights, it shoots just fine. And then once you go to full auto, it spreads out really bad, as we will find out. I've had this thing for few months now. Let's see. Oh, I think I've been hitting that thing the whole time. Let's see. Oh, yeah, I've been hitting it the whole time. I'll get you zoomed in more so hopefully you can kind of see those holes. Alright, here we go. See our about 7 yard group maybe. So as you can see right there, my scope isn't sighted in right, but it shoots pretty well and semi-auto pretty accurately. And that does change really fast because of the CO2 running out each time you shoot. But other than that, that's pretty nice. Let's try out full auto now. Alright, so just gonna hit the mag release. And then I'll get this thing reloaded and then we'll test out full auto. Alright, so got it reloaded. Just gonna hit that. Then let's just do one mag dump spraying on the pond. Try to get that in frame, but gonna click the safety to full auto. And here we go. So as you can see, it shoots pretty fast. But again, hopefully you can see, I can't tell with the rain. It's definitely way less accurate. And I would say you probably get 4 to 5 clips out of 2 CO2 canisters, or whatever you call it. Alright, on the other mag, I'm going to just reload it, and let's see if I can get a mag dump on that cardboard and see what it looks like. Alright, let's see what happens when we go full auto. Alright, let's try again. Alright, take 2. Alright, there we go. I don't think the rain's gonna stop, so we're not gonna do anything else with it, but oh, one more thing I forgot to show you. So on here, I can't remember if I showed this or not. On here, there's this pin right here, pretty much the same as on a real one. If you push that with your thumb until you can pop it through, then that comes through on that side. You can see it better. It's pushed out. Then you can get to this. You can get to where you want to oil it. I've already put oil on this. Don't know if you have to, but I'm sure it's not going to hurt it. And then you can see the internals there. And you can like pull that out if you want. If you need to repair anything. And all that does, push that back down. And push that pin through. And then you're good to go again. So overall, I really like this thing. I think it's worth the money. So hope you guys enjoyed this kind of review. If you did, hit that like and subscribe button. And thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.